How's it going, YouTubers? Got another product review today. I'm reviewing the WEN 6-inch bench grinder. I was so happy with the WEN drill press I got. I went ahead and thought I'd have a matching set and go ahead and get me a bench grinder as well. Anyway, let's go ahead and open the box here. See what we got going here. I could probably use something better than a screw for cutting the box open, but it'll work. Go ahead. Here we go. Open here. Looks like the first thing we got is the owner's manual. Looks like some little plastic shields. 2 of those. Keep the sparks from in your face. Go ahead and get the top off of here. This one actually had a light kit with it, which I thought was really cool. Some other various hardware here. And let's get the grinder out. Oh, it's heavy. Whoops. Box out of the way here. Sit down here. Get this set down like this. And here we go. Here's the grinder. I don't think there's going to be a whole lot to have to assemble on it. Plastic off. There we go. Pretty simple there. Let's see here. We're unwrapped. It looks like it's got a pretty nice long cord on it. That's good. Oh, how long is that? It looks like about a 6-footer. Cord laid out here. Bring the light back around here. Of course, they don't include a light bulb, but probably got broke anyway. I like that, and it's just a standard light bulb socket. Either LED or incandescent. Let's see what we got here as far as the parts. Yeah, this is all the table here. And the 2 shields. Yeah, this is going to be super easy to put together. Yeah, you can already tell the shields, there's a no-brainer here. Let's see. And I'm not sure what exactly these are for. I guess I have to get the instructions out. See exactly how these parts go together. Instruction book. Assembly. Okay, yes, that's the parts I received. 2 little metal brackets here. 2 curved deals. It shows 2 other brackets. Oh, there they are. That's what I dropped on the board. Okay. These 2 metal brackets. I see, and those are for your... I thought it had some type of grinding ledge. Okay, cool. Little knobs. So, the way it shows it, that's your little grinding pedestal. You just take your little metal bracket. Hopefully you're seeing this. Just take the little metal bracket slotted. And I'm doing something wrong there. I see. It goes over it. Hopefully you're catching that. So the bracket goes like that. It's got one of those carrier nuts on it, and then you put that on there, and you do that. There we go. Yeah, that gives you a little edge to keep it from kicking around. See, I'm not sure how the shield. Well, we'll get to that. Let me go ahead and see. This is left 1/16 from the wheel. Spark deflector eye shield. And okay, and it goes. Let's see here. Like this, with a nut and a lock washer. Okay, it's going to be a 10mm. Surprise, surprise. I tell you, that's why I can't keep it with a 10mm socket, is because everything needs one. And of course, the first one you go to. So we want a lock washer or washer. And we'll take the bracket. Get it started. And then we're just going to tighten her up. Get that light back. Looks like it's slotted so you can okay. And your face shield is going to go on just like this. Hopefully you're catching this. And there's your face shield. And then I'm sure it's just repeat the same thing on the other side. So it looks like the only thing you're going to need, other than what's these two flat little metal brackets for? Oh, okay. They go right here. And I guess that's just to keep from suck through. Actually, I should have. See, it shows this way. So then, is that threaded? You're going along on this journey with me. So. Guess I'll need a screwdriver for that. Screwdriver here. It says 1/8 of an inch. There you go. There you go. And you can kind of get that out of the way if you need be. I think it's probably about right there is about the right spot. Okay, and then just we'll repeat the same thing on the other side. You call that a spark arrestor. I guess it keeps it from blowing sparks around. Of course, obviously you got your pad here. Cool. All I had is an old dryer motor for years with a couple arbors that hooked up to the shafts on it. So I'm not used to having the fancy stuff like this. It has all the ledges and spark arresters and all that. Safety. I'm good with that though, because I know that other one was dangerous as all get out. So makes sense to have a shield and all the various spark arrestor. Okay. Tighten this one up. By the way, those bolts kind of go in a little stiff. Probably because they don't want them to loosen up on you. There you go. Then we just take this. Same thing. Carriage bolt. Slide it on. Put the knob on. About an 1/8 inch away. Spark arrestor on. Same as the other side. There we go. About an 1/8 inch away. Good. Bring her down. Another shield on. And there you go. That's one simple, other than I need to get a light bulb. And I like that. Like that right there. And there she goes. So you need a screwdriver and a 10mm wrench. And that pretty much does the whole thing. It's got 2 holes here, which I will mount it to my bench. Let's go ahead and power it up and see how it does. Obviously it's not bolted down, but let's just see as far as vibration how it does. Whoops. And let's get a full view of it powered on. Well, that didn't go very well. There it goes. That's smooth. No vibration at all. Loving that. I don't know what else you can say about it. There's your WEN 6-inch bench grinder. Definitely handy to sharpen screwdrivers or blades for a lawnmower or whatever. It's got a coarse and a fine wheel on it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little assembly review. I know it's not real detailed. This is a WEN 4276 6-inch bench grinder. Under $100. I think it's actually like 60 or 70. You can't go wrong with that. As you know, I'm outfitting. I've got my WEN drill press now. I have my WEN bench grinder. So we're getting ready for some serious grinding and drilling, right? This is Electron Man, and have a good day. This video was produced by me, the Electron Man. And hey, if you get a chance, subscribe. It helps me out. And have a good day.